Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2020 Ram 2500 Power Wagon. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.4-liter gas engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, your classic tow hitch. Got the nice Power Wagon logo with a backup camera. We get a bed liner as well, which is pretty handy. Mud flaps on the rear. And we do get a bed camera, which is pretty handy. The Power Wagon logo on the side. A nice gripped platform running board. Mud flaps on the front. Trailer tow mirrors that are heated. Blind spot detection. You got a side view camera right there. Got the 2500 heavy duty logo on the hood with some fender flares on the rear and front. Front park sensing, recovery hook. You even get a winch kit as well. Block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ram grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space in the back, leathering on the door. You got floor mats, carpet interior. You even get a little storage cubby underneath as well as on that side. You even get another seat here. You got rear vents, USBs, heated back seats, USB-C, or not USB-C, 115 volt with storage here. You got more cup holders there, and you do get a split folding rear bench seat that does turn into an interior work surface, or you have storage underneath, which is all pretty handy. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw on the back there with the Power Wagon logo on the side here. Plenty more door space up front, power door mirrors, and we do get memory seating for up to 2 drivers. And over here we have our lights, pedal adjusters, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 166,269 kilometers. Get this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. We got your cruise control, gears, Ram logo. Got your toggle-free screen, voice and phone, modes, and volumes behind the steering wheel. And here we do get a digital speedometer, fuel economy, trip info, driving assist, vehicle info, speedometer, screen setup, messages, audio, trailer tow info, and all that fun stuff. We do get cup holders and plenty of storage underneath with a 12 volt and some coin slots. Your 6 additional seat with some storage here, your 4-wheel drive. You have all of these outlets down here with tons of more storage, and you do get a nice little Audi here, which is 115 volt. You have your locking axle, hill, sway bar, rear locking diff, front and rear locking diff. You have your engine start, gear select, trailer brake, tow and haul, traction, rear and front park sensing, your nice big infotainment system that does have navigation. You have your lane centering, hazards, 12 volt and more storage with a nice Harman sound system, tailgate, assist, and we do get a powered rear window opener with our features for our moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And you do get storage here, below, and a nice leather-wrapped dash. Looking here, we got our climate controls down here, which you can access here, dual climate, all that jazz. Heated and ventilated front seats with heated steering wheel. You got a mirror dimmer, backup camera, cargo, got your surround camera, and you can click through different features so you can have a good look around your vehicle. You have your audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, aux, all that jazz, HD radio. Any apps you may download will show up right here. Mirror dimmer, audio settings, SOS settings, all that jazz. Your navigation, phone, and your backup camera then again. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7980, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.